If you want to create and launch your one-page website plus app even with zero technical knowledge, join me for a 5-day live LMF workshop.
This workshop is a mind opener.
It's a really indeed the best platform which I have seen over the last 2 years.
That is what I felt like. I wasted a lot of time on different courses, but nobody was telling me the how to do the website and get this thing on. For me, the breakthrough for that was on your course.
I have invested lakhs of my rupees, but I couldn't achieve what I could get in these 5 days.
What, when, how, and where to do it. He's there to guide us.
Even if you're a novice, Jagan helps you in this 5-day workshop, and it ends in you building your own website. Isn't that amazing?
You will not only build your website in 5 days, you will also learn the most important skill of how to get clients for your services using the website in just 5 days. So click on the sign up button below, join me for the live workshop. I will see you live inside.